Hello everyone, in today's video we'll discuss why your Xbox controller is blinking even after changing the batteries and how to stop it. Let's get started. Your Xbox controller blinking after changing the batteries could be caused by several factors. The following are some common causes of the blink. Firstly, your battery contacts could be pushed in too deep, or the controller isn't well connected to the Xbox. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the problem. Repair the battery contacts. Look for a thin but sturdy flat metal object. Gently push the battery contacts toward the middle of the controller to ensure the batteries can connect to them. Make sure to do this process carefully to prevent damaging them. Ensure that the controller is well connected to the Xbox. If you connect wirelessly, ensure you're in range and that the signal is strong enough. You can also connect the controller using a USB cable instead of wirelessly. Unpair and then pair the two devices again. Disconnect any other controllers connected to the Xbox, then connect your controller again. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.